Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Let's Code for Fun, and today we are going to see some very simple yet effective way to navigate the Linux terminal. There are some shortcuts which we will use. So yeah, let's get started. So as we can see that right now we are inside our sandbox directory. So let us say that we have this long command, and let me just yeah. So let's say that we have this command find, uh, and it is spied by zargs, and then we have this awk command. So it's a huge command, right? And let's say that we want to change something over here in the zargs. So we can like if we have to go till there, we can use our right arrow key and move till here, but this is very ineffective. Instead, what we will do is that we will move one word at a time using alt plus F. So alt plus F is like it will move one word at a time in forward direction. So as you can see, we reached, okay, accidentally we passed that. So now we can use the same alt plus B command, which is used to go backwards. So we will go backwards using alt plus B, and we will go forward by one word using alt plus F. So what if we let's say we want to move to the end of the line, or let's say we want to move to the like the front part of the line. So what we can do is we can do alt plus sorry, not alt, control plus A. So if we use control plus A, we go to the first character of the line, and if let's say if we have to move to the last of the line, we will use control plus E. Okay, so these are some shortcuts, and these are some shortcuts which are related to navigating. I will note each of them, and let's try to analyze some more commands. So we have two more important commands, which is control plus U. So let's say we just want the command from find till this part, and we don't want the command after this. Okay, so we can do, what we can do is we can do control plus K, which will cut the command after this. Okay, so one second. Yeah, so as you can see, as you saw, we were able to cut the command after that. Now what if we want to let's say cut the command uh, from this cursor till the front? So what we can do instead is wait, I'll copy paste this command whole. What if we just want from zargs till the end, and we don't want this part, and let's say if our cursor is still here. So what we can do is we can do control plus K, sorry, control plus U. So control plus U will cut the command from the current cursor till the first character, and control plus K will cut the command from current character till the last character. So control plus U, okay, wait, one more example. Let's say, so if we have some command like let's say hello world. This is not a command, this is just a dummy text which I've written on the terminal. So let us say that we want to cut the command from the end of the sentence to the, we completely want to, let's say, remove this thing. So what we can do is we can do control plus U. This is particularly handy when you would have seen that you type sudo, and when you type the password and you accidentally type something wrong. So what I've seen people do is that they would do they would press backspace like multiple times, and then because they don't know how many characters they have typed, so they would type it like 10 to 12 times, and then they would retype the command. So instead, like, what they can do is, like, if you have, let's say, typed that password and you think that you have mistyped it, you can just do a control plus U and then start typing it again. Okay, so these were some commands, and one more okay, one more command which is related to sudo, which I want to show is, let's say that we have this uh, test file, which is, let's try to read this. So just cat test file.log. Okay, so it says permission denied. So in certain command it requires sudo privilege. So what we can do is we can do sudo cat test file.log, right? So as you can see, I can now read this file. So instead of writing the sudo and then the whole command again, what we could have done instead is, let's say we do this again. So we do cat and this say, let's say it says permission denied. So what we could have done instead is we could have done sudo double exclamation mark. So this double exclamation mark is nothing but the previous command which was run. So as we will see, it first prints this command that what is going to execute, and then it will run the whole command sudo cat. So yes, I hope this was helpful to you guys, and I will keep posting more such videos which will be useful. I hope you guys liked it. Thank you. Goodbye. Take care.